Welcome everyone to my new video presentation on Solana topic. It is 10th of November 2023. Let's discover what's happening on the market from the price action standpoint side. What are the probabilities of the current situation and what kind of numbers do we have to deal with? Make sure in the meantime to follow me on my main YouTube channel and check out our trading videos. For example, yesterday we put out our day trading presentation for the crypto space. We had a $60,000 profit on the trade, and you can check around, as well as we have our AI bot trading that you can participate. No upfront fee, only commission from the pure profits generated. At the same time, we have our one-on-one coaching program that you can talk about and join us. I'd like to share more details at the end of the video. Now, what's happening on CoinMarketCap, folks? Well, it's quite simple. Solana has been able to climb back in the top 3 at the moment on trendings because it started to move. It definitely had a delayed form compared to the BTC, having on mind the fact that BTC yesterday pushed very high to $38,000 and then retraced a lot. You can see the 24 hours movement is still 0.19, so that is not much at all at the end of the day. Meanwhile, Solana is 6.43% on a $47 mark at the moment for the past 24 hours, has a good time. From the chart standpoint, this is what we're actually dealing with right now. So as we spoke in our last videos, we did have the triangle that we managed to represent very well. The triangle had a golden pocket reaction level, a key level that has been managed to be set around $42. This key level was basically under testing for 3 times with a positive reaction right there. So that is a structure of bullishness, especially when it comes down to be in a higher low. A structure of bullishness appearing right there is a sign of continuation in the market price action. And that's exactly what has happened. We have pushed basically to our resistance structure at the top, which is our supply zone, faced tiny resistance, retraced in a minor way, and then pushed with a very strong candle on a 1-hour candlesticks without rejection above the whole structure. That simply continued basically to the 1.618, which traditionally on our Fibonacci retracement level, it is a strong resistance. The 0.618 and the round numbers are basically the ones to be afraid of when it comes down to retracements or extensions, because this is already a Fibonacci extension way. Now, the 1.414 is actually where we have been retesting right now and reacting. And this is coming after a major dip that has been put together. That was a whole lot of liquidity, guys. You know what happened there? I mean, this is what happens in rallies and bullish market situation. The market is dumping 17% in 2 hours. 17% in 2 hours. I want you to think about the leverage trading going around this thing, about the fact that you can use a stop loss, a trailing stop loss, which is all going to be triggered, which is all going to be activated, and you will be taken out. So when we talk about bull runs, the market is doing this kind of things every now and so, because they need to take people out from their great positions of much lower levels that they were holding. So people usually go with their stop losses higher and higher, follow the price action, or they use a trailing stop loss, which is automatically doing that. Therefore, the exchanges know where you have your stop loss, and they only need to put the pressure, they hit the gas pedal, and the market is basically triggering it for you, which is why we have so much dump going on for Solana in 2 hours, because this has been gaining a lot of liquidity from market orders. You cannot do movements with limit orders. You cannot trigger that. You must do market orders. This is exactly what has happened. By the way, BTC dumped big time as well, and all the other cryptos have suffered during that moment a lot. So this is the current situation. Support from now ongoingly, it is supposed to be found on our previous supply zone, which is currently must act as a demand zone. So we need to verify that, of course, and make sure we confirm that. Right now it's not confirmed, it's just a probability that from supply we get ourselves transformed into a demand zone. Other than that, things are pretty risky. At this level, we are already heavily overbought. Even though the market has the ability to continue with its pump, you need to understand the fact that the higher we go without retracing in a healthy way, the more difficult it's going to be for us to sustain the movement, because more and more people speculated, more and more people make quick money, and they exit out of the trade. So the higher you go, constantly the selling pressure is increasing and the buying pressure is decreasing, which is making the whole structure to fall quite easily. And the exchanges are also having a purpose to generate such movements of pump and dump. Beautiful. That's it on the topic of Solana. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the like button. And once again, if you believe there is room to work on your education, if you want to transform the results of your activity, make sure to work on the source of your results, which is already your knowledge, which is your skills. We're taking care in a one-on-one way, private, between 4 to 6 weeks, intensively on a private coaching. I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade, basically. I can explain you on a quick conversation, free 15 minutes call, where we can talk about a whole process, including basically our scrembocoaching.com/bot, where you will be able to find out more about our AI bot trading. Simple, only commission from the profits achieved. The whole trading is outsourced through API trading. You pay the commission every 7 days from the profits, and it's simple. You can see more details on our page. Jump on a quick call, reach out to me. All the links in the description area or comments area of the video. Have a good time, folks. We talk to you soon.